Hi Wishtrenders, welcome back to Wishtrend Fitness TV. I am Chloe Bach, second runner-up for Miss Korea 2018. If you haven't watched the last episodes yet, you can find them at the bottom of the screen. There were people who wanted to know about exercises that are more stimulating than bare-handed motion exercises. So I'm going to introduce to you some exercises that you can do with a water bottle. People who normally work out at a gym usually use exercise equipment called dumbbells, but you can use a water bottle at home instead. The heavier the water bottle, the better the effect. Should we start the body strengthening dumbbell exercises now? But before that, please click the like and subscribe button. It's time to get up and shape up. The first exercise is the wide squat. It's a motion that adds dumbbells to the basic wide squat position. It stimulates the legs, hips, and inner thighs. It is especially effective in making the inner thigh and side hip lines stronger. Now, I'm gonna get my dumbbell. Stand with the legs spread wider than the shoulder width and position your two hands in front of your chest. And your feet should be at outward 45-degree angle. Bend your knees slowly while breathing in. Your knees should be facing your toes. Exhale and draw your knees back. Feel the tension in your inner thigh muscles and hip and come back up slowly. Like I said, if you don't have dumbbells, you can use water bottles. Let's go. Guys, if you have a bad knee, do not extend all the way. When bending knees, keep the ends of your feet facing outward. Make sure you're feeling the tension slowly and imagine having a stronger lower body. Is your lower body burning yet? Exercises will be more effective because you're using dumbbells or water bottles. Now, shall we move on to the next exercise? This next exercise is called the dumbbell lunge. The lunge is one of the major leg exercises that makes the thigh and hips flexible and strengthens the lower body. Now, let's get our trusty dumbbell. And we're gonna start at the end of the mat and have your arms next to your body like this, and we're gonna move forward, like a regular lunge, and come back. Keep your upper body straight, and come back. Try to minimize the arm movement, and like I said, leg in the back must be 90 degrees. No rest, keep going. The knees in the front shouldn't be in front of your toes. And like I always tell you guys, do not forget to breathe. Okay, let me give you guys a tip. Use the strength of the big toe of the foot at the back when you are coming back up. Right? The knees in the front shouldn't be in front of your toes. And like I always tell you guys, do not forget to breathe. Wow, you guys are doing excellent. Should we now move on to the next exercise that intensifies the stimulation to the chest? This exercise is the deadlift. It affects overall body strength and growth. You can strengthen the body's power and improve muscles all over the body. Okay, let's get our friend dumbbell. Hold the dumbbells at shoulder width, same as your feet. Straighten the waist, keep the chest out, and lift the hips. Lower the dumbbell while bending the knees and the waist. Your abdomen and back should be tense at this moment. And return to the starting position as if you're using your back to pull yourself up. It's good to distribute your power so that the strength of the upper and lower body can be balanced around the hips. Let's go again. Keep the tension in the abdomen and the back. Can you feel it? If the knee protrudes in the front of the toe, all the weight will go to the ankle, so be careful. All right, should we move on to our next exercise that strengthens the chest area? Let's go. Finally, the last exercise is the dumbbell press, one of the most effective workouts. It's thought to be done only on a bench lying down, but you can do it on a mat or lying down on a floor too. Okay, I'm gonna get my dumbbell again. Okay, you're basically lifting the dumbbells or the bottles, so it removes the fat in the arms too. Let's go. We're gonna get down on the mat and knees bent, and we're gonna lie down and make sure your core abdomen area is arched like this. We're gonna push the arms upward and go slowly down. Push it. Maintain the elbow and the hands in the vertical position, and the arms shouldn't go below shoulders when coming down. So let's go, guys. Keep on breathing. It's very important to breathe. Like I mention all the time. Keep your back arched. Don't move your legs. One more. Today's exercise was more intense with dumbbells. Is your body burning? Because my body is. I'm sure the fat is burning as much as your body is. Today, I not only introduced you effective information for your diet, but also to some exercises using dumbbell or water bottle. Since we added some extra weight to our workout, you should see better results. This is strongly recommended to people who are not satisfied with barehanded exercise or just want some more stimulation. You can create a healthy body line soon thanks to the overall stimulation to upper and lower body from these exercises. Okay, the time has returned. Before I get into the details, today's menu I'm going to introduce is stir-fried onion. Onion is a common ingredient in our dishes. In particular, it's the best diet food that does not have any side effects. The quercetin in the onion has antioxidant effects and lowers cholesterol in the blood. Now, should we take a look at the recipe? Wow, very simple, right? This is also good as a side dish, but it can be a filling and nutritious meal if you eat it with whole wheat bread. Let me know in the comment section down below if you had any difficulties with the exercises we did today, and I'll be as helpful as I can. If you have any questions about specific body line management methods or diet tips or any other exercises, leave me a comment. Once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Wishtrend TV to get the next episode of Wishtrend Fitness TV.